Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a hair tutorial for you guys on this super easy, like unbelievably easy low ponytail. Like this is gonna blow your mind. So if you guys wanna see how to do it, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is either leave your hair straight or curl it. I have mine curled, so I'm just gonna leave it curled. It doesn't really matter, you can do this with your hair straight or curled. Then I'm gonna part my hair kind of off center, not like really like a huge side part, but just off center so that it kind of like gives it a little more of that side pony look. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I always do my side parts on the side at first and then they go back toward the middle of my face. I learned that from somebody here on YouTube and it was like talking about how if you do it like that, it can kind of like keep everything looking still even and not like it's like all on one side, you know what I'm saying? So my part goes back like that. Then I'm gonna pull all my hair to one side and brush it so that it's nice and in the right place. Okay, so then I'm going to take a clear elastic. These are from Goody, and they're ouchless elastics. I will say though, sometimes they do hurt, so ouchless, I don't know. Just kidding. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my hair into a ponytail, and you wanna make sure that it is kind of tight. You don't want it to be super loose, so get a big one so it doesn't snap on your hand like they have on mine before. Because the tighter your ponytails, the more of an effect you're gonna get. You'll see what I mean. And the thing I love about this look is you can do it with like medium length hair too. Probably not short hair, and girl, I feel you. My hair is actually really short and these are extensions. But you can wear it kind of messy. You can wear it more like neat. That's why I feel like it's such a fun look. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, now that you have your little ponytail secured, you're gonna make a hole in this part of your hair. And if you make it over here, everything is gonna be down the side, and if you make it towards the front, it will be more toward the front. And you'll see what I mean. I'm gonna do mine more toward the front so that you guys can see it better when I do it. So you're just gonna make this little tiny hole, just like this. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip all this hair through that hole, front ways. So mine's super heavy. So actually I'm going to stick my fingers through here so that I can grab the hair. So just pull it through to the back, just like that. And look at that, like that looks like you already tried. Like you could just leave it just like that. Like, is that not the easiest thing ever? Come on. It's so easy and I love it. And it like looks like you did your hair. Like to me, this looks like kind of like a fishtail braid almost. Like what? So easy. Okay, so now you can keep going. You can stop here. I'm going to keep going so that I can show you guys. Then I'm going to do the same exact thing, probably just like the same length from here to here. I do another ponytail, same length, if I'm making any sense, hopefully. So mine's probably gonna have about 3 of these little things, little loops. You probably already get it by now and you're like stopping the video because this is so easy. There's the loop, put my fingers through it, grab it, and pull. Look at that. What? So if your hair is not as long as mine, then you can definitely stop right here. But I think I'm gonna do one more. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you guys because I'm not tall enough on this chair, but I'm gonna do one more. You guys know what it looks like. So I'm gonna do the same length, basically. I'm trying to show you, it's kind of hard. Little hole, and try and make the hole even. I mean, I guess it's kind of trial and error. Like obviously this takes like 2 seconds, so if you need to redo it, you totally can. So make the little hole and then flip that guy through. Boom, bam, done. How easy is that? Like so cute, so easy. So you can leave it like this, Or you can start to kind of pull it apart, and that's what I'm gonna do. I kind of like the like messier look. It reminds me of like a mermaid. So I just take little tiny little pieces from the braid. I'm not pulling the whole side. And here, I'll show you up here. This is probably a little easier. So I just like take little tiny pieces, and I try not to pull too much. You don't want to like pull it out of its little thing, you know, but just like little pieces, make it a little messier, a little like looser. And like, I kind of like the look of them being a little bit different, like different shaped, but you guys can do whatever you want now that you know how easy this is to do. It's like, this is my new ponytail from now on. Like, it looks like little fishtail braids. I'm like, I feel like this would be kind of cool for Coachella. You could like really pull it out, or like any kind of other festival. You could like wrap something around it. I don't know, just get creative, you know what I'm saying? So that's literally it. Like, that's it. This video is like way longer than it actually takes to like do this. So there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big huge thumbs up. If you like me and you want to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button, and you can hit the bell next to it so that you're notified every time I post. So that's it for this super easy ponytail tutorial. Like, you guys, how easy is this, right? Right? It's like the fastest way to make your hair look cool without actually having to try, which is my kind of hairdo, you know what I'm saying? If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, let me know down below. Like, seriously, like, go down below and comment, I want to see more hair tutorials, so I know. Or you can give this video a thumbs up. One of the two. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Go inside like windshield leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away, you made me